Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by gathering a grinder, scale, kettle, and a brewing device like a pour-over or French press. These basics simplify every cup. Grind beans just before brewing. Use a medium grind for pour-over and coarse for French press. Use a 1:16 coffee to water ratio. 15 grams of coffee per 240 ml, or 1 tablespoon roughly equals 7 grams. Heat water to 195 degrees F to 205 degrees F, and pre-wet paper filters to remove paper flavor and warm the brewer. Set a medium grind and place a filter in the pour-over cone. Add 15 grams of coffee for 240 ml water. Start with a 30-second bloom using 30 ml of water to release CO2, then pour slowly in concentric circles until you reach 240 ml total. Aim for a total brew time of 5 to 4 minutes. If it finishes faster, grind finer. Serve coffee immediately and discard used grounds to prevent bitterness from extended extraction. For French press, use a coarse grind and a slightly stronger one, 15 ratio. For 240 ml water, use 16 grams of coffee. Pour hot water at 200 degrees F, stir gently, and steep undisturbed for 4 minutes. Press the plunger down slowly and serve within 2 minutes to avoid bitterness. If desired, add 15 ml milk or sweetener to taste. Store whole beans in an airtight container away from heat and light. Grind fresh for the best aroma and flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.